Hello children, welcome to your class. Hope you are spending good time at home. Today we are going to learn about a new sound. It is a digraph, which means two letters. We see them together, they make one sound and the letters are O and R. You know their sounds, O and R. So when you say these letters together, they make the sound or. Be ready to practice or sound words. Let's look at some words on page 31 in our sound book. Here the first word is or. P or k, pork. F or t, e for tea. F or for. Or form. St or e, story. T or ch, torch. N or th, north. H or s, horse. S or t, sort. P or ch, porch. St or me, stormy. T or n, torn. P or n, worn. M or more. H or n, horn. K or k, cork. K or d, cord. P or t, sport. F or k, fork. P or ch, porch. St or m, storm. L or d, lord. Sk or ch, scorch. Sh or t, short. K or n, corn. Sn or ch, snort. M or ng, morning. Ford, afford. Oat. Now children, you will practice to read the same words from your sound book with the help of this video.